for a higher GC news. Mima Obibia Aquaba had the latest hot era with the Bravo. And it is so we subscribe to channel area, but more than say over subscribe. That way, I say over click the subscribe button. Now, we barely notification. We had a video for free be uploaded. When the first person I once ever can a year video. Afi we are now like video no give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana me mu hano. Afi ye hwe ye ensemo ababeto ye pono so iti eye sankubu ya ekoso yi mama iti sansemi.
Eti se mo page na mo abie no. Se me na me ye mo targeter Bawumia I can collapse your campaign. Me na me ka cho. Any threat is a promise. Until you take action. Na obi di udi ye bibi na say o nye part. Na say o nji ntumu a. What do you do? O dem nipa na any statement na be issue. I disassociate you from that. Any say bia me mo amani o. Na 3 weeks continuous. Hey, me apart from whatever that girl there me mfano. But en some na what they to internet no so ama nchirema no etina mani abre be say mo amoya associated no ade mo so mo nsem be ko internet no so ama mo so mo nananom abekan yo. I swear the God me aba ma mo yire no mate aba ma mo kru no mate de aga na keka efa me yire ho mo de mo beyi mo ani ama na keka na what that platform ye Bawumia for 2028 ho kwa nsem a mesane afa Samira ho asane afa Bawumia ho asane afa Samia Awuku ho no you'll be shocked. Ayen kwasi asem na mudi no sade no mo fi say mo nsanshin ya why can't you come out and then disown that person? Me pressing on record say my wife a try say nko stop post her life me say mempene I'll do it. But and then no may year intro because my promises say from today Sunday to next week Sunday every day I will come out because package no so na me we 7 days you know obia be hu ne level straight away eti ene eye intro sadi we ya me ye Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, Mrs. Samira Bawumia, Anna Samia Awuku, nipa miensa kiwi, take note. Others will be later, but these 3 people, take note. Someone you want to say, me, Anna Mudibe Moya, look, Dr. Bawumia, make you campaign one. I don't want to have a problem with you. You need personal problem. But I am saying this with seriousness and pain. Eti Dr. Bawumia say obi beka say oyire Samira amanfo ne de da. How will you feel? How will you feel? Ishakusro, let me block him before I continue. When na my wife will can no say one person my life. So, how will you feel? See a Becca. Me go for Biaso Makomiko, mammy. Mia Makomiko. Etina me say, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, Samira Bawumia, and then Samia Awuku. Take note of today's intro. Because in some of me be Biagu Hono. It will shock Ghanaians. Number 1, may Hopeson be a politician. May Yire a politician. Number 2, my wife is not contesting any election. Number 3, I am no more NPP member. Take note of this. Now, am I be almost say almost there? Bawumia for president 2028. Oko TikTok a. Omaye Bawumia. So Omo say Bawumia for 2028. Bawumia for 2028 no, Anno ma hide behind. Anno mo de meyere enemy anesi me ubetima di matem 20 years. I don't care. Me fa ho. Na o de meyere bamu a. Hey, said you be shia wo no. I will crush you one time. Mujina mohu for the past 3 weeks. Every day, a branch can is above your NPP ni no lawyer ladies. Or they Ghana politician being yemoye. Sad no nke dia warija ye kra politician. Ana politician no dada na ire say o ma ya abortion. Anno atamo no de wakoto UK. Anna wote hodum na wo say ubegu nkrofo ani ma say, "Hey, madam, you steady. I have what it takes to make you miserable. I have what it takes to make you miserable." But share for the past 3 weeks. Many nkrofo bebre akasa wo Bawumia camp. Oma pay deaf ear to it. It means he say, "Mu endorse ni omo ye na enye sa. Mu ndi mu nsamo a me ba brogu Samira so okromo ase ya. Mu akasa nka moto America de dada. Take it from me. Miss Robiao. Miss Robiao. Say mu betena se. Na me yira wonye politician. Now, because of my politics, now mo teso Bawumia for 2028. Now, I will give you double dose of what they are doing. Me say Zambia, Bawumia grand go collapse. Me na make a joke. I am giving you people 24 hours, whether you do it or not, and there be problem. But me say, I work with the law of Moses. When you slap me, I will slap you and slap you hard. When you step on my toes, I will step on your toe and step it hard. You say a word to the wise. Share. I saw for free, a penny free, any other. Ma catch romo ma assure mo say ene me ye intro no mo hu nie nti a me se me ba be ko 7 days moja na ewo sa moja na ewo mu no enye du bia na ewo bi mu won mo bodam won mo bodam hogu mi yire ni mu ase no be make sure me se nsamo be pepe ogromba. Sadi pa mi say amabomudin. Dr. Bawumia, Samira Bawumia, and Awuku. Get ready for me. Get ready for me. If you tell me say you don't know them, why can't you release a statement and call them to order? Why can't you do that? What will bother them and say there? But let me make sure say I put it on record. Sadi na ma ya to hono no. Hwe me yire wo ma. Enkwala yi ba begin wo mu bawo. Wo mu ma ba begin ye kwa akohwe ye nana ne yakikasa sa nana ye nana tiana. Who will explain to them? Ah mu beti ase say na enya nokre. Who will explain to them? Say sa na tie dia ade nyina ye beko gata no. Me da gata mi srash afiase bia. Edi madi su Sammy bepe president adi. Eti mi mfa ho. Me ndem mo nyina beko gata no mu. Mo abobo adam. Eti aye mo de. Me mo bia kwan e ma no ma yesu so oba beka bi. Mo ma me nka ma asem wie. Na me bo afri kina e ko no. Be bia tu mama obi opese obeka bi bia no oba beka bi. Me say enye nipa ba ko enye nipa bi no enye nipa miensa from Bawumia camp. Physical da me ye no. Video ya me physical. Me call the spiritual ways so. me ka asem na say o di bedi agora me mfa ho. But what I plan to do, I will do it. Eje Jimmy Sam say, wo beka say, wo kwa koye campaign a mobi. Mo kwa Akufo obi a wonye politician. Obi a won man me contest any elections. Not never be see oda wudi na tem egu ni mwase. Do you know how many years I taking my wife to build her brand up to this stage? Mabubu Adam won. Wuti akurase now the yin sen kokko blackmail bema no otabu kokko to abrochira. Just won dwene won breye won hu said ye setie said your man for nam awiem e nam anwa so e di kokko pie wa abrochire ni ade no wanye bi nti no wuti hodum na nkwasi asem na wudi. I swear to God. Hwe saga na jollof yi. Ada me kan wa ha sei. Se wo ma me konfo no. Sammy Awuku. Obi a obedi atem ho bia wo nye focus. Maybe we are be block us am crofo ni na 7 days ya bi be ko wo nya bi mu hwe. Asa? Padam. Me say, me the facts in the baba. Now so how it feels. Nkwasi asem sa ya tikrom hanum na ye so. Makasa semwe 3 me say go to that page and see me name wife pictures in what na tie nsabo omoka. Sa wumbo damwa, will you say those things? Will you say it? Eti sabi bana mbeka se Samira Bawumia ne party mu boy say the dawa bontia. Bawumia, will you be happy? Samira, will you be happy? Will you be happy? What ye munya go trade amon hwade. Mesi anyina wo kromati. Obi anya obi awo. Obi anya obi a. Eti se wo behind crofo say they should disgrace me name my wife me I will not sit back. Safa manya me no. Atwam ebi ni makwan mu. Me o come here me will. That's my yi. Ma bodam wo hu obi atena se I started from the scratch abedi aba bedru sam pempenso yi na wo ti honom na wo kan kwasi asem ne mu asem mo NPP boys ya muni nam so mo eya na mo hu krai mesre eya na mo hu ya mesre hwe Media so first one 1992 ewo kwame danso. That time na digina Bómbshell constituency go and ask. Say na Sammy ogunma yi nobody say. Enya 10 years o say then na nobody. Mon kola ye ni namu ayeji struggle to make sure say NPP benya power. Namu wo hin. Aha. Me say from say media you so from 5 p.m. up to now what do me area highlight 4 times. No more if you say me wa generator o ya beso once they say I call off Cecilia na eba o de obon say nche on be dum. Hey, intimidate you, Pia. Me catch them, me say people. The way I must say, show me disrespect and all. Remember, more who say, Bibi will be as Remember, more who say, Bibi will be as Yeti, me catch you. Based on course, a free Bawumia microphone be waba and you may. Asofo ne penifo bi eti me catch obo say enne me mbie nuamaso me ye intro ama manfo hu why I'm saying this eti say mo page na mo abie no say me na me ye mo targeter Bawumia I can collapse your campaign me na me catch o and yet threat, it's a promise. Until you take action. Na obi di udi ye bibi na say o nye part na say o nji ntumu a what do you do? O dem nipa na any statement na be issue I disassociate you from that. Enye say bia me mo amani o na 3 weeks continuous. Hey, me apart from whatever that girl there me mfa no, but in some na what they to internet no so ama nchirema no etina maniabre be say mo amoya associated no ade mo so mo nsembe ko internet no so ama mo so mo nana no mabekan yo. I swear to God me aba ma mo yire no mate aba ma mo kru no mate mesaba edu so na mente hwe a na fe ma be bie chapter 1 na ye koye ni musa be say Ghanaians will be in shock. It's about me the baba bonti. Mo bo boadam na motete ho no. So movie say obi an yetache no. I'll fight you to the ladder. Some will come morality. Ye be bie morality no mu pa. Ni ahwe. Mo bo boadam won. Wo wa tari obi kunu ho. Amwatamu do akwakoto abrochira. You are coming to talk about onunti eneme nkwachire bebre. I know Moses abo me hu say ofre me any ade. Salam Mustafa me no wakasa nwumre. You promise say obeye bibi. Me catch you say life no dey ne. Me intro no dey it cannot be stopped. Bekoso. Nyankopon ya adomo a ochina ebeto aso. Na de mo say the again nekeka efa me yire ho. Modie mubeyi moni amana keka na what that platform ye Bawumia for 2028 ho kwa nsemo a mesane afa Samira ho asane afa Bawumia ho asane afa Samia Awuku ho no you'll be shocked ayen kwasi asem na mudi no sade no mu fi say mon sanction ya why can't you come out and then disown that person? Why can't you do that? Now for 3 weeks. Anna, a man for the reader, a man for the reader. What ya UK? Who ya there who is obeying the reader? And you are quiet. I am not contesting any primaries with you. My wife is not a politician. Now why you're quiet. And you are enjoying it. May say you get the bitter part of it. Yeah, Obisa, what was your performance at Ponkatamanso? Who ye Jimmy for? Unim? Who ye Jimmy for? Jefferson Akuno. 2016. Your candidate, NPP candidate, Enya 26,000 votes. How Ponkatamanso? 2020, I got 39,700. 2024, my candidate, age 24,000. Why Jimmy? Won't you ask here? Who ye Jimmy for? Won't you ask here? So, me canon. Say, me, say, why am I doing some more sunshine your way any day? And there may some mamma the bitter part of it. I swear to God. Me, the medium for NPP who may come back who cry wa bunting. Make one say one. The minimum I say secret and a secret. Make back okra. What your pamum pushing na mo hade? Mo pamum pushing na mo hade. O jaman for do obi kunu achi anya 2 me say oba be kasa about morality. Ebe kasa about morality. I obi kunu da do akwakwasha brochiri. Won't me ma authentic me ma make say, oh, this is my man. You are crazy. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Wono yire Samira. Awuku. I am saying this. Say, Samose munim nipano. You are not endorsing it. Now I know the platform of Bawumia for 2028. Now we are quieter. I'm telling you. Medemu di besie ni papa. Boot for boot. Ewo krom ha say. Me say morality. ye be chapter na go. Morality. All right, abusiafo. Eti say dem kai no. Ene eye intro. Me shada enche. Eti medam wase mo a mo ba so. Mo a mo kasa menya botre ne ne kai ka ho nyina no. Nyankopon hira mo. Na bodamfo no so mo ha se mo twron kwase asem ne de. Omo meni omo be wi o akire honom. Be block omo nyina free me page no so. So ho ye kasa nya adwene ne nyansa ne tie nipa na asem a wo ka. Se wo ane de wo yire akwakosi ayiso for 3 weeks. Se wo yire ne mema deda, wo yire bo adwaman ne keka ho a. Na se be ye wo da. Then it's up to you. It's up to you. Mo aboda mo ho. Adwuma wo ye na wo didi ho na mesoso menya bidie no. O ba be se na adwuma no. O boa. I will fight for my right. Maka, samuse monti asia mopa, hey, baby am pesi ekobia yenko. Baby am pesi ekobia yenko. Etimide maka kiremo, me say I am giving you the opportunity. Samuse enyamo na mwasuma sa afna yina ne maame ye comfort the necessary form na. Senyamo na musuma na. Then come out clearly. Then I know what to do. Then yes, answer so there. Eish. Be a venene nife. Mo na minimum benya. So ye can be amamo. So ye can be mamo. Me good campaign one time. Me there you guys. Me say well, I'm not for them because me say Bawumia was my friend. We were together. Paul Ambantem for more years struggle na more hefa na more hefa Tinyankopon shamu mo amobasu yina mi hu say na Steve Zure so Steve Zure, you don't call me this time mi hu so man hini Kwabena Asante so mi hu nipa bebre so Nyankopon ehira mu yina asofo a na mo hwe se bibia be kabo down so Nyankopon hira mu na menim se bibia bekoso kama
yo itifo we ni a reporter abato ye proso meka say wonya subscribe to channel idea bomodi say obe subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na woje bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanom oso betimi a kire wadwen afa eye semwe nyina ho e wo comment box no mo beti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.